Alright guys, so we just hear like a Bucky like crying. So we're gonna go explore. Alright? We don't know who it really is. I think it's a Bucky. My grandma think it's like a dog, so please,
I think it's me.
It's not you.
Yes.
It's not you. It's like not even like somebody crying. It sounds like a yeah, it's like an animal. I think it's Opal. I think it's a monkey.
I think it's Opal.
Opal, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Opal, look at me.
Cheese.
It's just not a cheese thing, okay?
Cheese.
What the fart? What the fart? Look at this girl. Okay, Chipmunk, can we go explore now?
I am not. I think it's coming from the house across the street, but I think maybe that's what Daisy does when Dee Dee's not home.
Let's go explore, guys. Yeah, we have to go explore.
We have to walk up the sidewalk.
Not going down the street.
Okay, but we need somebody to come with us. Neither you have to come with us, or Mom, you neither have to come.
How about Pizza Man?
And I don't want my children going to explore with some weird noises.
Gavin and Logan and Olive, get back here.
No, we have to go explore this. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go explore
What if
this.
it's a bobcat? I don't think bobcats make that noise.
We have to go
like,
explore. We have to go explore, guys. Ooh, come on. Ooh. Actually, guys, I changed my mind. It could be a bobcat. Tell us in the comments what you think it goes. We don't know exactly what it is. It could be a dog. It could be like, it kind of sounds like first like, and then I thought it was a monkey because then it went like, no, guys, tell us what it is. Peace.
Liam, you know what Nina told me?